Everyone thinks the best-selling indirect water heater is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 options that actually tackle hard water issues. Product number 1, Chiroprotec Anode Rod. Let's kick things off with the Chiroprotec Powered Anode Rod. Priced at $202.07, this product caught my eye because of its promise to eliminate that awful rotten egg smell from your water in just 24 hours. If you want cleaner water and protection against corrosion, this is worth a serious look. So why is this an important buy for you? The Chiroprotec rod uses a titanium construction that stops corrosion right in its tracks. Imagine waking up to fresh-smelling water every day, no more unpleasant surprises when you turn on the tap. Plus, with over 2,000 units sold this month, it's clearly a popular choice for a reason. Now here's the thing. Some users mentioned installation can be tricky, especially if you're not familiar with plumbing. But here's my take: if you're a DIYer or willing to hire someone, the benefits far outweigh the hassle. It's like investing in long-term peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with strong odors in your water or if you frequently notice limescale buildup. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick fix without any installation work. You're getting a lot of value for your money here, especially considering the 20-year warranty. Now, if the installation aspect concerned you, the next product takes a much simpler approach. Product number 2, Tankless Water Heater Electric 110V. Next up is the Tankless Water Heater Electric 110V from XWDZSWGS, priced at $75.39. This mini water heater is designed to give you hot water instantly, which is a huge relief when you're tired of waiting. If you want immediate access to hot water without the wait, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This unit can raise the water temperature by 82 degrees F in just 3-5 seconds. That's perfect for hard water areas where you might need hot water for cleaning or cooking quickly. Its lightweight and compact design means you can install it almost anywhere under the sink or in tight spaces. But I'll be real with you, some users reported that the temperature settings can be inconsistent, which can be frustrating. However, if you're using it for quick tasks and don't need a constant flow of hot water, this won't be a deal breaker. This is great for you if you live in a small apartment or RV and need an instant hot water solution. Skip this if you have larger hot water needs, as it's not designed for heavy-duty use. For the price, it's a solid investment for convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for handling larger needs. Product number 3, Rheem 18kW Tankless Electric Water Heater. The third product is the Rheem 18kW 240V Tankless Electric Water Heater, priced at $553.52. What got me interested in this one is its impressive flow rate of up to 4.4 gallons per minute. If you're serious about tackling hard water and need a reliable solution, this is worth checking out. Why is this product a game changer for you? It features advanced self-modulation, which means it automatically adjusts the power based on your hot water needs. This is crucial in hard water situations where you want to avoid overheating or wasting energy. Plus, it has a durable copper immersion heating element that'll last longer than many competitors. Now, some customers have pointed out that it can be a bit pricey for smaller homes. But honestly, if you're in a household that uses more hot water, this is actually an investment in comfort and efficiency. This is perfect for larger families or homes with high hot water demand. Skip this one if you live alone or rarely use hot water. It's a solid value for the performance you get. Moving on from the Rheem, if you're looking for something even more portable, check out this next option. Product number 4, BSED Immersion Water Heater. Next up is the BSED Immersion Water Heater, which costs just $35.36. This portable water heater is designed for quick heating, and it genuinely surprised me with how fast it can heat up to 5 gallons. If you're looking for an affordable and portable option to heat your water on the go, this is definitely worth a look. So why is this product useful for you? It heats water in minutes, which is fantastic for camping, small pools, or just when you need hot water quickly. The stainless steel guard means that it's durable and should stand up to the rigors of outdoor use. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to pack. However, some users mention that the cord length could be a bit short for larger setups. But honestly, if you're using it for smaller tasks or while traveling, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for campers, travelers, or anyone who needs hot water quickly without fuss. Skip this if you're looking for a fixed installation at home. For the price, it's hard to beat the convenience. Lastly, if you're keen on a more permanent solution without the bulk, check out this final option. Product number 5, Thermomate Tankless Water Heater. Finally, we have the Thermomate 3500W Tankless Water Heater priced at $164.22. I was drawn to its compact design and impressive 3500W heating power. If you want instant, on-demand hot water without taking up too much space, this is worth considering. Why does this matter for you? Its leak-proof heating chamber minimizes corrosion and scale buildup, which is exactly what you'll need for long-term use. Some reviews did mention that it requires hardwiring for installation, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you're okay with a little setup work, the benefits of quick, instant hot water are well worth it. This is perfect for anyone looking for a compact solution for their kitchen or bathroom. Skip this if you're not ready for a direct wiring setup. Considering the features, it's a great value for its size and efficiency. To wrap it all up, we've explored a range of options from the Corroprotect anode rod, which tackles corrosion, to compact tankless solutions like the Thermomate. Each product offers something unique, whether it's affordability, portability, or powerful performance. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a top pick for everyone here. Don't forget to do a bit more digging to find the right fit for your water heating needs.